Hi, I'm back with another video, and today's video you need to stretch your hair, straighten your hair, stretch your hair. Okay, we don't want to see any tangle on the hair because the hairstyle we're going to do today needs that. Okay, we need to stretch the hair, and I went ahead to part the hair into two, and I used my gel. You guys know I told you I found a gel that doesn't leave all these white stuffs on my hair, so that's the gel I'll be using. And I'm going to go ahead to part this hair in sections. Okay, I parted it into two, and one each part of the hair I'm going to part them in sections, right? And when I do that, I secure it with a two strands twist. Okay, because this hairstyle we are going to do in Spanish is called trenzas de boxeadora. A female boxer's hairstyle. Okay, all those people that do boxing. Okay, the female boxer. No, that's what they call them, a boxer. The female one. Okay, that's what they call this hairstyle. Just these two box braid. Is it box braid? No, these two cornrows that goes all the way to the back. That's what Spanish people call it. Trenzas de boxeadora. Okay, and we'll be doing these on our natural hair. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, follow us, and leave us a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to tell us where you're watching us from so that we'll give you a shout out in our next video. Because now that I've seen a gel that is good for my hair, I'll be bringing to you guys more protective hairstyle on your 4C natural hair. Okay, so if that's what you like, you love to see me do my hair. Okay, just follow us and subscribe. Okay, now we have like 6 of this hair pattern. I think 6. Okay, and I'll go ahead with my rubber band. Okay, make sure the rubber band you soaked it with your, I used olive oil. Okay, any oil of your choice. Okay, this will help to protect your hair. Okay, and when you are losing the braids, the rubber band will come out easily when you soak it. Just spray some oil on it. Okay, so I'm just here trying to secure the hair with the rubber band. Make sure it's tight, but not too tight, because you don't want to be on a protective hairstyle and your hair will be paining you. Because if this rubber band is too tight on your hair, trust me, it's going to give you a headache, and you are going to lose the hair quickly, and you will not like the hairstyle. Okay, but that's not what we want. We want, we want to secure the hair, but not to feel uncomfortable inside it. Okay, as you can see, as I'm trying to put the rubber band, I'll go in with a gel, try to smoothen it, because this my hair is the original 4C. This hair is just the real 4C that okay? So I'm trying to make sure I smooth it to the best of my ability, okay? All right, so you can see we are all done securing the hair. You can see all the way down. Yes, we did it. Now we are going to start trying to smoothing it the more. Smoothing it the more. That is just basically, trying to make sure the hair is all well in there with a rubber band, okay, to make sure we don't have any liver. So this is the hair we'll be using, and I'll go ahead to bring out some. This particular one, I'm going to use it for a hair, okay, the one I parted, and I'm going to go in to crochet it on my hair. Okay, just watch closely. This is just very easy. Okay, this is very easy. But if you're trying to learn how to braid your own hair by yourself, this place is going to be very, somehow. Okay, so if you have somebody to help you, somebody around to help you, that would be very nice for somebody to help you to just crochet the hair on your hair, right? The extension on your hair. And you can see I'm crocheting it on the upper side of the hair that I parted out, not under it, on top of it. Okay, you can see on top of it. So this, just watch closely, just on top of it, that's where I'm crocheting the hair. Okay, and when I do that, I try to make sure they are equal on both sides. All right, so, and when you want to do this, please make sure you moisturize the extension you are using. Okay, because if you don't do that, it's just going to make the whole work very stressful for you. Okay, try to make sure you moisturize the extension you are using, comb it out very well so that you don't get stuck in between the hair. Yes, we did it. Okay, I will go ahead to start, you know, doing the hair, okay, braiding the hair or trying to cornrow the hair. Okay, this place can be tricky. All right, so you will just take your time and, braid it. It doesn't matter if you braid it more than once. Myself, I braided it more than once before I was able to get it. I just braided it the first time. It didn't give me the look I want. I have to lose it off camera. And when I now know how to go about it, I started recording it again for you guys to see. Okay, so that is just it. If you're trying to braid your own hair, okay, it can sometimes feel tiring. Your hand can be aching, but just keep doing it. Keep doing it. Don't give up, okay? Practice makes perfection, or practice makes perfect. Which one? How do they say it? Okay, so I'm just trying to braid the hair down, okay, to cornrow the hair down. This is just trenzas de boxeadora. As I do that, I go in with a gel. It will help to detangle the hair while I braid it. Okay, as I stretch my hand with the gel in my palm, okay, it helps to smoothen the hair. This is for natural hair, the thick one. The thick one, okay. And if you're doing this on a relaxed hair, it's going to look so beautiful, okay, because we guys are on natural hair. This our natural hair is so magical. That's always what I say to my natural hair. This natural hair is magical. It's look as if this hairstyle will not come out well, but trust me. Trust me, guys. Trust me. If you want to try this hairstyle, just go ahead and watch this video closely and try it and come back and let me know in the comment section, okay? All right. So this is just trying to braid the hair down to the tips, okay. And when I got to this part, oh my god, the hair was just trying to, you know tangle and tangle. But thank god for the gel. I used the gel to help to detangle it with my hand, and I braided the hair down to the tips. Okay, you can see the look, the vibe is coming up. The vibe is coming up. I just put it in this hair, okay, and I use the foam to, to help to calm down all the hairs that will fly up there, and I use the spray, the spray to hold it down, hold all the holdable I can hold. And I went ahead to, to dry it, so that, because this hair, I want to go out immediately. I'm doing the hair immediately, getting ready immediately to go out. So I went ahead to use hot water to secure the tips, and boom, our braids is ready. And I went ahead to style it. Oh my god, I'm loving the look of this hair. You guys need to see my face as I'm editing this video. Period. Period. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.